Hi and welcome to SSC Mobile. Here we'll be showing you the basics of how to access StaffScheduleCare from any Apple or Android device. First, download the application from the Google Play or App Store. Next, use your employee ID and password to log in. If you're not sure what your password is, please contact your manager. Now, let's take a look at each item on this page. Please keep in mind that not every facility will use every function mentioned in this video. First, let's look at the attendance menu. This menu will show you any time attendance codes such as sick, vacation, and LOA have been used in SSC. If information appears to be missing, simply select the time frame you wish to examine using the calendar item at the top of the screen. Next, let's take a look at the availability menu. This menu will allow you to determine the times that you are available to be scheduled in SSC. To select your availability, select the time frame you would like to make adjustments to by clicking the calendar icon at the top of the screen and adjust the check marks to reflect your desired availability. The Bulletins menu is where you are able to view general messages from the managers at your facility. Simply click on the magnifying glass to expand the detail on each bulletin. The Schedule menu allows you to view when you are scheduled. Please ensure that you use the calendar at the top of the screen to select the applicable time frame. This menu can also be used to exchange shifts by clicking on the circular arrows on the side of each day that you're scheduled. Selecting the peer-to-peer option will allow you to exchange shifts with a specific individual. Selecting the SE board option will allow you to post your shift onto the shift exchange board for others to reply to you. This brings us to the SE board. This is where you're able to see shifts that you have posted for exchange, as well as exchange shifts with other individuals. If you don't have a shift to trade, the system will not let you make an exchange. The Time Banks menu is where you can view the time that you have accrued at your facility. For example, you can see here this employee has 47.5 hours of vacation time left over. The time card is where you're able to see the hours that you worked at your facility. For example, this employee has worked 8 hours paid at regular time on the 20th. By clicking on the icons at the top, you are able to adjust the time frame that you are looking at. You are able to see a legend of all the symbols on the screen, and you're also able to adjust some of your preferences. The Time Off request screen is where you're able to request any and all time off in StaffScheduleCare. First, select the time frame you would like to view. Then click the plus button at the top of the screen. Next, select the code that you wish to request off. Then, select the dates you would like off and the amount of time you would like off each day. Finally, the system will show you a summary of all the details of your request. Simply review it and then click Save to process it. The Training module is where you can view any time that you are scheduled for training within your facility. Simply click on the icon and it will show you all the information required. Finally, to exit the application, simply click Log Out.